Brie Bella is as beautiful as she is dangerous. Oh, I know, Cole. She's one of my all-time favorite divas, and it's looking as beautiful as ever tonight. Oh, reversal.
Good man.
Watch out here. Oh, my gosh.
170 or something for the last time I checked.
Wow, look at that great flexibility. Brie Bella has one of the quickest finishing moves in WWE. The Bella Buster makes opponents eat the canvas and takes them down for the 1, 2, 3 all at the same time. Bree's made sure she can knock out any diva with that finishing move. Hey now! Brie Bella making a move. And what a reversal for AJ Lee. Big elbow. Ouch. You talk about an extreme makeover. I know Brie Bella took extra time in creating her finishing move.
Oh, what's the point of fighting someone who does that? It's ridiculous.
With the Bella Buster. And what a reversal from Brie Bella. I hope you know CPR, Michael, because she just took my breath away. Well, look at that move, Cole. And she drops like a sack of potatoes. And there's the reversal for AJ Lee. Look at that move, Cole. Look at that move, Cole. Oh, look at the emotion. What a shot! Oh boy, TJ is setting it up. Good grief. Look at this. Oh my! Is there anything Brie can? We got a cover, and she kicks out at 2. And now it is show-off time. Don't waste time floating here. Here we go with AJ Lee. Well, look at that move, Cole. Well, look at that move, Cole. And Brie comes up with a vicious counter. Where does she get it from? How is she still going? Michael, I wonder what she'd think about having me be her arm candy. Brie Bella just sizing her up here. Well, that's it. Brie going for the cover. Oh, and a kick out at 2.5. Oh, that was really close. Oh, back to the head. Back to the temple. AJ turns it around. Yes, nicely done. And Brie takes a hard shot. Work is being put in by AJ Lee.
Reverse that one.
Oh, man. Oh, my. Look at this. And that should do it.
It's because you're watching, that's what it is. I'm concentrating. It's alright, Ben.
We know what she's setting up here, Cole. Oh, lights out. That should do it right there. 2. AJ strutting her stuff. And what stuff to strut? Reversal. And this is going to return to the ring. She's going to need to dig down deep if she wants to keep going now. And we're going back between the ropes. And what a reversal from Brie Bella. Look, Michael, she's looking at me. Don't act like you're not impressed. Now back to the ring.
Four, three, two, one.
Oh no! Trying to put her away. And Brie Bella nails it. And this has got to be it. 2, 3. Brie Bella gets the win.
Hier, Arek. Arek.